all deans, directors, faculty members, and my dear freshers, and my dear senior students. At this juncture, I welcome all of you on behalf of the Board of Management of Mewar University. No doubt it is a proud privilege for all of us that we are going to celebrate a fresher party which we have called as Aagaaz 2022. It is a great moment for the students who has recently joined this university and started their career after qualifying 12th exam. My dear students, this is a turning point of your career. I am sure you must have high hopes in your mind that after getting this professional or technical degree, you will get very good job somewhere in India or outside country. My dear friends, this is a start of journey. After completing this course, your career will take shape. And then after completing this course, whatever course you have chosen, you will be called as a responsible citizen of this country or the country to which you belong to. Because in the Mewar University, we have a universe in this small place.